Hello! So how the heck do I always put my screen protectors on?
Perfect!
So today I'm going to show you exactly how I install my glass screen protectors. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen,
you know what time it is.
Boxy time. Alright, so here's going to be our AMFilm glass screen protector
Ultra.
They always give you more than one in case you mess up. It is scratch resistant, zero bubbles, works with the ultrasonic fingerprint, got the perfect installation, and ultra clear. Looks like we're going to get 2 screen protectors, 4 adhesive tubes, installation manual, 4 absorption pads, application tray, bubble level, metal cylinder, 2 wet wipes, screen prep cloth, UV light, 2 plastic tray pins, dust remover stickers, microfiber cloth, and 4 leveling pads. So let's go right ahead and get everything prepped. Alright, so here's going to be everything that you need. So the first thing you want to do is power off your device. And if you have a case on your device, go ahead and take it off. Next, if your device does this, then you need to put on some leveling pads. Let's see how that is. Oh yeah. That did the trick. Next, we'll use the included wet wipe to get the screen all nice and clean. You may also use the dust removal sticker to get those last fine particles. And then we have the cleaning cloth to make sure it's nice and dry. All right, we get the entire device. And since this has a curved screen, you want to make sure to get the edges as well. And try not to get your fingerprints on it as well. That's not a good look when you put some glass on it. Let's use the cleaning cloth to get the last bits of debris. All right, that looks pretty good. Next, we're going to use the screen prep cloth. Now this cloth may look like a wet wipe, but it's not, even though it's a little bit damp. Okay, yet again, do not get your fingerprints on the screen. And just for safe measure, let's go ahead and use the cleaning cloth one more time. All right, so next up, we're going to use this application tray. The tray is labeled for your device. So of course, at the top, it says top, and at the bottom, it says bottom. So let's go ahead and put our phone in there. There we go. Next, we're going to make sure that the phone is level by using this little bubble. Man, that is level. Next, we have some absorption pads. That way the adhesive doesn't leak. So you put these in the side, like so. All right, so now we're starting to get to the good parts. Here's going to be the adhesive that we're going to put directly on the screen. First, you're going to unscrew the red cap. And that's going to allow the adhesive to flow out. And the idea of this is to have adhesive drop right there and then right there. Basically half and half. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so they gave us 4 adhesive tubes, but you only need to use 2. And on a side note, yes, it probably will get on your hands. So make sure to wash your hands after you finish applying the adhesive. So since the adhesive is on, let's get our screen protector. Okay, so here's one of the 2 that came in the box. So let's go right ahead and peel this off. Once again, try not to touch it with your fingers. All right, let's go ahead and set it down. And let's just make sure that the cutout on the screen protector is the same spot as the front-facing camera. Yeah, it looks perfect. All right, and now we got to slowly pull the pins away. That way our screen protector can actually go to the screen. Let's go ahead and do that. And as we can see, the adhesive just multiplies and spreads across evenly.
Nice.
And then we place a metal cylinder on the fingerprint scanner while it's spreading. Next, the magic happens. So here's going to be the portable UV light. This is what's going to bake the screen to the phone. Don't worry, the device will be fine. So I got a USB-C cable right here. Go ahead and plug it in. Make sure you don't look at the UV light when you plug it in. And it should turn on just like that. Then you place it over your phone like so, and then you wait about 45 seconds for everything to cure.
Few moments later.
All right, 45 seconds is up. Let's go ahead and unplug it. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the phone from the tray. And we're also going to remove the scanner sticker. And then we're going to let it cure again for about 60 seconds. All right, it's been about a minute. So it should be done. We can go in and take the leveling pads off. All right, it looks really good on there. Let's go ahead and turn the phone on. All right, let's see if the fingerprint sensor works.
Bam. Bam. Bam.
Perfect. Now your phone screen is protected from scratches, from drops, and even nicks from your keys. This looks outstanding. And of course, links to everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. But if you want to see another video that the YouTube gods guarantee that you're going to love, then go ahead and click or tap on the screen. And if you want to become a member, then go ahead and click that join button down below. But until next time, Handsome Nation, thank you and have a good one.